Hello again. A proper mixture of weather this week. We start the week with fog and frost in places. Eventually, the fog and frost will be replaced by rain or showers. And it'll be cold at first, but eventually it turns milder. These changes are going to happen slowly, though, and I'll explain why in a moment. It certainly was a cold day across central and eastern parts of England with some lingering freezing fog and fog developing quite widely. Once again, through this central slice and eastern parts of England, fog warning in force, some poor visibilities by dawn. Further north and west, the frost and fog less likely because we're going to see cloud and outbreaks of rain or showers. The most persistent rain there in the north and northeast of Scotland, yellow warning in force because risk of flooding following a wet month so far. But by the end of the night, the wet weather into western and southern Scotland, where it's a cold start to the night and then turning milder later. Northern Ireland seeing outbreaks of rain first thing and showers for northern England, western parts of England and Wales. Ahead of all of this, some bright skies as we begin Tuesday, but to watch out for those dense freezing fog patches first thing. Some of those could last into the afternoon. And that will keep it on the cold side, I think, especially in East Anglia, the southeast, eastern parts of England. Elsewhere, a lot of cloud cover and rain or showers effectively for most places throughout the day, and this blustery wind feeding them into western and northern shores. Now, the cloud and the showery outbreaks of rain slowly progress eastwards overnight, and that means, I think, less frost and fog in the east compared to previous nights, but clearing skies later for Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, so a chilly start in places here, but a bright start, plenty of sunshine first thing. And then this is associated with a moving ridge of high pressure, so these sunny skies are moving their way eastwards. That means after a cloudy start in the north and the east with some showers, it brightens up through the day. But we lose the sunshine from Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, where outbreaks of rain and a strengthening breeze arrive by the end of the afternoon. Milder, though, with that, but staying cold in central and eastern parts. This is a slow-moving weather front. It's moving in and it's coming up against this large area of high pressure to the east of Europe. It's effectively what we call a block. It's blocking progress from the west. Even though we've got quite a strong jet stream gearing up, I think these weather fronts will become very slow moving. In fact, this one could last much of the day, bringing outbreaks of mainly light to moderate rain for central and western parts of the UK on Thursday. Fog ahead of it, potentially, for eastern England. But eventually, the signals are that it will push through, followed by further weather fronts carried through on this jet stream. That means more outbreaks of rain to come on Friday, along with milder air, it has to be said. However, the jet stream, well, it is coming against that block, so always some uncertainty when you get this battleground situation, which one will win and which one will progress further first. So low pressure by the end of the week, most likely, and the start of the weekend. That means outbreaks of rain or showers. The wettest weather signalled for Western Hills, especially across parts of Scotland. So we're keeping an eye on that. But the main themes this week: cold start, turning milder later, fog and frost at first, soon enough replaced by showers or longer spells of rain. We'll keep you updated, as always, on these social media channels. Bye-bye.